Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe. Today I want to show you this cool multitask cart. Again, this is just to give you guys ideas if you needed something like this. I thought of this more for kind of like a woodworking type of cart, or really anywhere that you need to have all your tools available and you don't want to be walking back and forth. So again, I have a surface. I thought about a surface. I thought about maybe even having a sanding box or something like that. So I thought it'd be really cool if I could just go ahead and sand. I can hook up a hose. If I wanted to, I can house the vacuum for the hose, right? If we're using this as a sanding box, I can house it here. I thought about maybe adding a bin. We can pull out the bin if we wanted to. We can fix it as well, right? We could always tie it and fix it to the structure as well. Another cool little thing here that we have is more pegboard. Again, in order to be able to hang more tools, everything that you want, it can essentially be here, right? Everything in its place and a place for everything, right? If we have a tool holder, we can put drills. If we needed extra surface, we can go ahead and unlock our side table here, and we can go ahead and bring it up and we'll be able to lock it into place if we needed to have that extra surface. Again, if we're going to go ahead and transport this or put it away, we want to make sure that we don't damage this side table, this side wing here, so we can go ahead and just lock it into place. It's all about thinking about what type of accessories can help you do that, okay? From there, I've also thought about maybe adding some pipes here to go ahead and essentially maybe even use it for placing my wood clamps, right? If I needed to go ahead and put some clamps there as well. That's a great idea to utilize the pipe. I've got hooks, and then basically whatever you want to do, whatever you want to add to it, sky's the limit. So go ahead and use this as some inspiration, and can't wait to see what you guys do. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care.